Came up with a problem for standard from chapter, I think, 6, part 2. For my reassessment, I used a problem that's kind of similar to one that I found in the book, except for instead of going away from the mass, I think in the book they had a satellite or something going away from an asteroid. Instead of that, I have a skydiver, falling down towards a planet. So it's like an alien skydiver or something. Uh, so he's jumping from pretty far up, 10 kilometers from the center of the planet, and he's falling at a speed of 4 meters per second. This is my initial, and then this is final. So the final position is 5 kilometers from the center of the planet at 122 meters per second. Here, all I did was convert it to 10 times 4 meters and 5 times 10 to the 3, or 1 times 10 to the 4th meters and 5 times 10 to the 3. So we'll start out with final energy equals initial energy plus work. Since our system is the skydiver and the unknown planet, and our surroundings aren't really anything, then there's the work is going to be 0. So that leaves us with the kinetic of the skydiver, S the skydiver, final plus potential gravity final equals the kinetic for the skydiver initial plus potential gravity initial. And from there, pretty much just filling in kinetic energy here and gravitation, potential gravity here, and from here on out I'm pretty much just doing algebra. So let's see, you can see here that the mass of the skydiver, the small mass, cancels out. If I divide it on both sides, it's gone. Then from there, let's see, yeah, so that's what I got. And then from there, what did I do? It looks like yeah, I added this gravity to both sides, the potential gravity to both sides, and that's what I have here. And then I took out the gravity and the big mass, because I'm trying to solve for the big M. I'm trying to solve for this planet. I want to know the mass of this planet. So then I divide the whole thing by big G and 1 over R initial minus 1 over R final, and that gives me the big mass by itself. So that's the formula that I have there. So I just wrote down all my values here just so I have them in one place and it's easy to look at, and I punched them all in my calculator, and this is the number I got. So it's a pretty big number. It seems like it can be the size of a pretty big planet, and it's positive, so it leads me to think that I'm somewhat on the right track here.